Ladies and gentlemen, in this video I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove pop-up windows that are related to the site Ewafur.life. Ewafur.life is a new malicious site which now attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. Ewafur.life tries to mislead you and to make you scared about the condition of your computer. Ewafur.life then tries to make you click on this proceed button, supposedly to download some cleaner, but in reality all these pop-ups lead you to the installation of potentially unwanted software. Therefore, don't interact with all these deceptive pop-ups, don't trust them. My strong recommendation is that you simply leave this page and don't install anything that it suggests. Your computer can be infected by some other hidden malware. My recommendation is that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may obtain on this official page combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install the application, and then begin thoroughly investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and eliminate other threats which could still remain on the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.